because it's natural. We just put grated coconut. Yeah, we just put coconut milk, and that's very delicious. Yeah, but mostly my grandfather boiled it, steamed, and my grandmother, eh, it's my favorite when she grated and remove some. Ali, I will show you when I go home. I will make that specialty from my mother and I will sell it. It's a business. I must be a business minded. I must go home to Philippines. I don't want to stay here in Saudi Arabia.